This area of Sneinton Market has not seen trading for a long time. Over the years, it's been badly affected by fire and vandalism. But now, new plans approved by the City Council will see these buildings transformed into a place for people to shop, eat and relax.
It should bring more money in, it should bring more people coming in to visit, bring businesses in, and then when businesses come in, they employ people, and then the people that work in the businesses will use the local services. So it won't just be focused on Sneinton Market, hopefully it will spread out into the wider areas of Sneinton and up Carlton Road.
The new development will feature a 3-storey building, with housing including student accommodation, street food stalls and shops. Traders at Sneinton Market are welcoming the plans. It's hoped that they will boost the local economy and bring more footfall.
The more people that are down here, the more people want coffee, so we're always happy to accommodate that. Especially on market days in the big square area that's over there, we definitely notice an uptick in business, and yeah, any excuse to get more people down here is always good for me and definitely good for the other tenants that work around here.
It's been 3 years since the area was last rejuvenated. In 2015, the European Regional Development Fund brought in more than £4 million. Local traders are hoping that the benefits of that project will repeat themselves this time around.
I've lived in Nottingham for 18 years and I've seen this whole area completely transformed in the last couple of years, from what was pretty derelict buildings to being bought back by the council, significant money being put in and being coordinated by the Creative Quarter Company. We need footfall, we need people to be able to see what we do, to be able to look through the windows and see activities going on and come back and obviously come and pay to come on our courses. So from our point of view, the more people that get to come around this area and see what everybody's doing, the better.
Hopefully this will put Sneinton Market back on the map for years to come. Andrew Gentry for Notts TV.